Hey everyone, this is Sean Powell. I got a lot of downline who seems to be having a problem connecting the train together, so I thought I'd actually take one of the funnels itself and literally show you exactly what to do after you put in the share code, after you got everything squared away. Now, this is how you know if you got squared away. You're going to go to Getting Started right here, Companies You Promote. So basically, you've just done the video that you've watched from here. It is the one that has, let's say if you're doing the Yellow Brick Road, which I think is what a lot of people are setting up. But if it isn't, it doesn't matter. It's going to be the exact same thing. Here's a share codes with Power Lead System. It has Mark Crosby sitting there talking. 8-minute and 14-minute video. It's going to show you exactly where to put, what you need to put in code 1, code 3. And when you're done, this young lady here, I'm actually inside of her system. It is correct. Here's code 1 is trafficmonsoon.com. She put the word sign up between, after the / in between the question mark. Okay, fine. Udemy. All right, first of all, you have to join Udemy, obviously. But after you do that, you come over here, and this is hers, and you would put in code 3 under Udemy. Okay, now Power Lead Systems is going to be, the one for Power Lead Systems itself. After you have those 3 in place, and you know that they're correct, well, now it's time to go make your web pages, and you put everything together. You're going to link the whole train together. So you're going to go to websites. You can go to domains and subdomains. Okay, you're going to go down to manage subdomains. All right. Now at this time, you could type in a brand new one if you wanted. And I'm not. I'm just letting you know this is what I did. I just recently did this, and I decided I was going to make a video to help everybody out. So I'm going to go to, I put in Wizard of Oz 1 at partnerwithtrudy.com, and I'm going to go to Edit. Oh, I'm sorry, not Edit. I meant to go to Assign. I apologize. Alright, so Assign. Click here to use an existing web page from our library. Click here to use a web page you've already created. Click here to create your own web page. You'd want to click here where it says to use an existing web page from our library. Okay? Now, when you typed in the share codes earlier, they're going to pop in over here. Now, you do want to make sure this says this. I want to attract someone to become a property of whatever I want. Okay? Do not want to put this as here. It's going to come as default as this way, but don't change it. Leave it like it is. Okay? It's going to have your domain name showing right here. You could change it by popping it down and putting in another one if you preferred. Okay? Now, this is sales funnels that you've created. Now let's see, shared choices. So what this is you're going to look for the words that may say something like capture page, or you might see landing pages or something like whatever it's going to be titled as. Okay, and you would click on this just to look at it. Okay, doesn't mean that you're going to do it. It's just to look at it. You come down here to this one so that you can view it. It's open in another window. I'm not crazy about that one. Let's go to the next one. So let's go down to J. I haven't done that one yet. See what that one is. Try to get one that she'll want to use. Okay. Not crazy about that one either. Let's go down to K. I know it's capture pages because it says capture pages. Understand, y'all, this is a train. You had to do the subdomain, which is the very beginning. This is a good one. I like that one. So let's go to that one. Was it K? Make sure it was K again. I don't want to pick the wrong one. I was talking too much. That happens a lot. Okay, I like that one. Let's go with K on this one. So we're going to choose this one. Now, I have to go to the top or the bottom of the page. It won't matter either one. Okay. Now, for this domain, Wizard of Oz, use the following page that is set for my intro page. Yes. Okay. Now, it's asking me for an email. What kind of campaign am I going to send out? Well, she should have Yellow Brick Road, and she does, for optional income source. This is Yellow Brick Road name and email. All right, so we're going to click that one. And if you wanted to view it, you can look at it and see. There you go. Now, let's test it to see what happens. All right, so we got that. I always use the word test. And when it comes to email, I do test again. Test.test.com or testhotmail.com, whatever you want to do. XNO. Now this, I could get it wrong if it's a 0 or a 3. We'll see here in a second. Hopefully I got it right. Yay. Now, I've already used that test because I tested several times on different things. So I'm going to go to no, just continue the tour while I'm checking it. Alrighty. And there we go. Everything looks good. Now let's check to make sure everything goes where it's supposed to go.
Hi there, thanks for your interest. Listen, let me ask you, why...
Alright, let's go to step 3 here. The reason why I want to go to step 3 for is I got all of them right here. It makes it real simple, so I can go to Traffic Monsoon. Let's let it finish loading up here. Okay. And let's see, does it go? Yep, there's her name. That works. Go to Power Lead Systems. Bam, blue page looks good. And let's go to Udemy. And Udemy shows up right here just for a second. It's good. This lady is good. She's got a perfect funnel. And how long did it take? It literally took minutes. If I hadn't been talking, it would have even been less than that, to be honest. Okay, so now I'm going to take this part here. I'm going to copy it. And now, one more time, I'm going to put it in here. And now I'm going to copy the whole thing. And now she'll have a copy of it. There's her brand new link. And everything is set up. It is as simple as it looks like. There's nothing else to it. Y'all, if you have any problems, let me know. Always remember that you connect the train to the landing page. It's going to be the beginning of the train's locomotive is going to have to be the subdomain. I wouldn't use my domain. I would use a subdomain. Okay. The whole purpose of me doing this, she had everything set up perfectly. I didn't want to have partner with Trudy.com. If something ever happened to that or anything's possible, you'd have a hard time. But with a subdomain, if something ever happened with it, then you just go make another subdomain. So you want to kind of protect that domain itself by not using it and use your subdomains. That's exactly why I did the whole rebuilding of this in the first place. But she's done everything great, and y'all, I can tell you, Miss Trudy has never done anything with computers. All right, the only reason I came in here is because she wanted me to check to make sure everything was okay. It was 100%. The only thing I did is show you a video by also making another subdomain so she can get back out there again without having to use her real domain. That is the only purpose of this. Y'all, if you need anything, just let me know, but it was as easy as it can be. Just stick with this route. Every time that you do a share code, don't do anything different, and it will always work. Appreciate it.